What's happening? What's happening? It's Sandman Kim Rapper, aka Tsha Venda, aka South Africa, aka the hip hop heavyweight champion, aka the champ is here. Yeah, man. Do join a talent show, inopfi Venda's Got Talent. Ngazi 12 za July 2025. Then ra computer na zimwe the contestants, and then I made it to the top 10. So we competed on the 12th of July 2025. Then avo vana dzijaji dzedzajaja dzedzava dzikha event yoitelwa Munati lifestyle, Munati city lifestyle village, and then I made it to the top 10. So now rika point ine vhathu vha khou ri vouthela uri wine muthu muthihi ane a ḓo wina the prize money. The prize money is 4,000 rands. So I am here to ask for your votes. Please vote for me so that I can win Venda's Got Talent. Please vote for me, guys. I need your full support. So if you want to vote for me, Tsha Venda, voting lines opened on the 21st of August. They're gonna close on the 30th of September. Then on the 1st of October 2025, the winner is going to be announced. So please vote for me, guys. So if you want to vote for Tsha Venda, all you have to do is you can send the money vangarumela tshelede kha Capitec account ine ha khou shumiswa yone u vouta. So ndi khou ḓo vha vhalela phone number dzo linkanaho na heyo Capitec account, nda dovha nda vha vhalela account number just in case vha tshi shumisa bannga i si ya Capitec. So phone number dzo linkanaho na heyi account ine vhone vha nga shumisa u vouta ndi hedzinoni. So khombela uri grab a pen and a paper, or you can write it down on your phone. So it is 063 687 9484. I'm gonna repeat the number: 063 687 9484. That's the phone number that you can use to send the money. It is linked with the Capitec account that you have to use to vote for me, Tsha Venda, to win Venda's Got Talent. Then I'm gonna read the account number for a lot of choose a Standard Bank, Nedbank, Absa, or any other bank that is not Capitec. You can use this account number to send the money. The account number is 2106287859. I'm gonna read the account number again. It's 21068. No. I'm sorry. The account number is 2106287859. I'm gonna read it again. The account number is 2106287859. That is the Capitec account number you can use. So it's either you can use the phone number that is linked with the Capitec account number. The phone number, I'm going to read the phone number again. It's 063 687 9484. I hope you are with me. 063 687 9484. Ndione nomboro yo linkanaho na Capitec account heyo ine vhone vha khou tea u shumisa vha tshi khou voutela nne Tsha Venda uri ndi wine Venda's Got Talent. Then vha nga shumisa account number. Huna account number ine arali vha sa shumisi Capitec vha tshi shumisa Standard Bank, Absa, FNB, Nedbank, or whichever bank ine ya sive Capitec, vha nga shumisa heyi account number u rumela tshelede. Vha nga shumisa account number yone iri 2106287859 iri 2106287859. So voting lines dzo vula nga dzi 21 dza August. So dzi khou ḓo vala nga dzi 30 dza September. So you have a lot of time to vote. So even if you don't have money right now, all you can do, you can wait until you have money. It's either you wait for ṅwedzi u tshi fhela kati ya ṅwedzi wa September or magumoni a ṅwedzi wa September, as long as ya se fhira dzi 30 dza September vha sathu vote. So dzi voting bundles dzi tshimbila nga heyi nḓila. Hu na heyi voting bundle yo thoma, vha tshi voter, if vha senda 10 randa, the first bundle iri vha senda 10 randa kha heyo account ye nda vhala dzi account number na phone number yo linkanaho na ya account. If vha senda 10 randa, you vote once. Zwi amba zwa uri 10 rand is equals to 1 vote. Then second bundle iri, if you send 30 rand into that account, then you vote 5 times. So 5 votes is equals to 30 rand. So if you, the third bundle is, if you send 100 rands, it means that you vote 20 times. So 20 votes is equals to 100 rands. So if you send, we are coming to the last bundle now. If you send 200 rands, you vote 50 times. So 50 votes is equals to 200 rands. I'm gonna repeat the voting bundles. 1 vote is equals to 10 rands. So if you send 10 rands to that account, you vote once. Then 30 rands is equals to 5 votes. If you send 30 rands into that account, then it means that you have voted 5 times for me. 5 votes is equals to 30 rands. 10 rand is equals to 1 vote. 30 rand is equals to 5 votes. Then we're coming to bundle number 3. If you send 100 rands to that account, it means that you have voted for me 20 times, which means 20 votes is equals to 100 rands. Then last bundle, last bundle, if you send 200 rands to that account, it means that you vote 50 times. So 50 votes is equals to 200 rands. I hope you are with me. So when you vote, when you send this money into this account, whichever bundle you choose, bundle. Even if vha votha nga 10 randa vha vho votha luthihi, it's fine. Even if vha votha nga 30 randa vha vho mvotela luvhili, it's fine. Even if vha mvotela even if vha senda 100 randa vha vho mvotela lwa 20, it's fine. Even if vha senda 200 rands vha vha vho mvotela 50 times, it's fine. It's really fine. Whichever bundle you can afford, I will be very grateful if you can vote. And then the competition, the name of the competition is Venda's Got Talent. So if you want to know more, you can WhatsApp me on 072 953 4143. You can WhatsApp me on 072 953 4143. I will also try and leave my phone numbers. I will also try to leave my phone numbers in the comment section. And then, guys, please make sure that when you send the money into this account, make sure that please make sure that you use the reference Tsha Venda. The reference has to be my stage name. The stage name should be the reference when you send this money. Because if you don't send the money with the reference as my name, as my stage name, it means that the people who are counting the votes will not be able to see who you sent the money for. I mean, they won't be able to see who you are voting for. So whenever you send tshelede, vha make sure uri vha shumise dzina la Tsha Venda line la vha brand yanga kana stage name yanga. If you want to see the spelling, just check the name of my channel, then you will, of my YouTube channel, then you will know, you will see the spelling of my name. Please write the right spelling. It's STAR space TSHA space VENDA. I'm gonna say it again. It's STAR space V. I'm sorry. It's STAR space TSHA space VENDE. Tsha Venda. I'm gonna say it again slowly. It's STAR space TSHA space VENDA. Tsha Venda. So please use that stage name as your reference when you are sending the money. Please make sure that you do as I said, because if you don't do what I said, then it will be useless. Your vote will be useless. So make sure you vote for me, guys, because I really need your support. I need your support. I really need your support, because if you vote for me, then I can win that 4,000 rand, because I want to buy studio equipment. I want to upgrade my studio equipment. So please, guys, make sure that you send the money to the account number that I told you. Please make sure that you vote. Please vote, guys. If you need more information of how you can vote for me, please WhatsApp me on 072 953 4143. If you want more information, give me a call 072 953 4143. I will explain again how you can vote so that you cannot make a mistake. Vote, 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 vote. Vote, hani. Make sure uri ni vote. Ndikutohumbela uri ni mvotele. Now, nga vote yam, I can win this thing. I can win this competition if you vote. Only if you vote. Please vote for me to win. Thank you for your time.